Nodding away. The power of nonverbal communication in conversations. Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into the art of nonverbal communication and focus on one specific gesture: nodding. Nodding is a simple yet powerful tool that can show others you understand what they're saying, especially when asking for directions. So, let's get started. In many cultures around the world, nodding is a common way of expressing agreement or understanding. It's a simple vertical motion of the head, up and down, that can say, "Yes, I agree," or "I understand." When you're in a conversation in English, particularly when you're asking for directions, nodding can play a crucial role. You can use it to confirm to the person you're talking with that you've understood their directions. This encourages them to keep giving information and reassures them that you're following along. While nodding is a powerful tool, timing is key. You'll want to nod your head when you understand key points or steps in the directions you're being given. For example, if someone tells you, "Turn left at the bookstore," then go straight until you see a coffee shop, you could nod after, "Turn left at the bookstore," and again after, "Go straight until you see a coffee shop." This shows you're actively listening and understanding the information provided. Just as important as knowing when to nod is knowing when not to nod. Nodding constantly or at the wrong times can confuse the person you're speaking with, making them think you understand when you don't. So, make sure you're only nodding when you truly understand. If you don't understand something, it's better to ask for clarification instead of nodding and hoping for the best. And there you have it. Using simple nonverbal communication techniques like nodding can greatly enhance your conversations in English. By nodding at the right times, you can show your understanding, keep the conversation flowing, and ensure you're getting the correct information when asking for directions. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, practice makes perfect. Keep honing your English language skills and don't forget to nod. Happy learning!